Welcome to the channel Surya TV Jones, and even you can search this channel in the YouTube as Surya TV TSPSC. Today's our topic is picture analysis, and even also there is a different kind of other type of question also will be on this picture. So means whatever the picture they will going to provide us in the question paper, on that particular picture the people will ask you a different kind of a question also. So first we will discuss about the picture analysis, the later will discuss about the picture questions. So they'll give a picture and how they will frame the questions. I'll already discuss in the next few couple of minutes. Let's we discuss about that. So how the picture analysis questions will be based in. Generally, if you see that most of the students were being confused of the vocabulary the people will be used in the question paper. So generally what here the thing is that the people want to be dilute your mind here, so that here the people what generally they will do is, so picture analysis. So how they will ask the question on this picture analysis. Generally, if for example, so one is that which is the people will going to be ask you in the type of picture view. They will give one picture and write your view, and other side, and even they will ask one more different type of question, nothing but here in a simple form, that here they ask the view and next they will ask you to write your opinion on it. Okay, then even they will one more time one word they will use here generally. So that is what here comment, they will ask like a comment even. Then even they'll go furthermore and make sure to the people will ask like interpretation or interpret. Okay, so interpretation or interpret. So picture analysis based questions may be on this one. So what generally here the thing will happen is the most of the students will go confused that view, opinion, comment and interpret, these are the different forms of words the people will believe, but then to that the people also will going to be write a different kind of answers here. So generally this is not the mistake we have to be commit while writing the answers. So generally is that view, opinion, comment or even interpretation. So whatever the things are picture analysis based means, picture analysis means nothing but here the view may be our own view, and even opinion or maybe comment or maybe the interpretation. So whatever the word the people will use here, so this is not a different kind of a question here. This is a completely question based, nothing but conceptual understanding question only we need to be think about it. So what for example I want to bring in front of you that one particular picture, that how now what it makes us to be analysis. So for example this is a picture, right? So now you are seeing this picture, right? This is a picture which is about generally about Indian population and sex ratio. Okay, so 1951 to 2011. So what is this is, for example they asked about that, observe this picture and answer the following question, or observe the picture and give your comment, or observe this picture, write your opinion, observe this picture, comment on it, observe this picture or interpret it. So here commonly thing is that picture is one but different forms they are asking, so that it doesn't matter. So generally what here most of the students will going to do is, for example you can see that there are the bar diagrams are there, right? So 1951 to end of 2011. So what is this indicates? So most of the students what they will do here, you can see in the left side, then number of people per thousand, means male people per thousand. Then here then years are indicated, right? Years are indicated. So females are, so how far they are living according to 1000. So mean or what here generally sex ratio is nothing but per every 1000. So how many females are present in our country? So that is the question here. So what the people will do here, the mistake is they will write that 1951 946 people, one sentence they will frame. The next again 1961 940 males, 1000 males, for that 941 females are there in 1961. In the same way they will go for further 1971 for 1000 males, there 930 females are there. So like this people what they will do is they prolong the answer like this only. So this is not the right way the student need to be answer the question here. Okay, so what way the people need to do? I said you before that nothing but here while starting this video I said you that this is like a comment, nothing but our direct question. So I'll bring you and notice before of you the text which is indicates us. Okay, the text which is tells us what exactly the question make us to be answered, right? Right, you can observe this here. So this is the textbook answer, right? I brought a textbook in front of you, then what exactly the sex ratio is about. Now in few couple of minutes generally you have shown that the picture, right? The same picture is indicating in front of you, right? So what is then what we have to write is what exactly these picture beside the information is there, that we have to write. That's it. So most of the students, what they are doing, they are writing that numbers what are there in this exactly in the picture. So that is not the right way to answer. The right way to answer is that, so already most of the students will go to prepare, right? So here what they have to do is the beside of this picture whatever the information is there, so that we have to write. That is exactly the way we have to answer in the examination, right? So who are the students but writing this picture analysis or comment or maybe whatever the thing is, so we have to write perfect answer, then only we can get a good marks, right? So thanks for watching our video. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our channel and share your videos for those who these videos can be helpful for them. In coming lectures we'll going to be coming with, we'll be come back with our new updates, right? Thanks for watching Surya TV.